Asafoetida has been also referred to as the food of the gods. The main part of this plant that is used is the resin, which makes up a volatile oil. The history of this herb is amazing, as it was used frequently back in time by Alexander the Great for flavoring. That was back in 4 BC. Still in early times, Asafoetida was used to treat gas and the bloating associated with it. Carrying through time, the resin gum is used often for vegetarian dishes that are prepared in India. Today, it is one of the main flavorings in Worcestershire sauce. Asafoetida is an herbal plant that has many diverse uses, such as an aid for digestion, a remedy for headaches, an antidote, and an expectorant. Asafoetida has been known to be used on some mental impairment, but not very often has it been shown to make any significant difference, except for mild anxiety. Therefore, it focuses primarily on bodily functions, where it can do greater good. As mentioned earlier, it works on gas and the bloating associated with it, but further it also eases indigestion, rid stomach cramps, and helps with constipation, which is Asafoetida's contribution in the digestion department. When it comes to headaches, when Asafoetida is mixed with water, it is showing great promise for the treatment of migraines and tension headaches. As an antidote, it works great for snake bites and an insect repellent when it is mixed with garlic. As an expectorant, the Asafoetida oil helps to rid the body of excess mucus and eases the respiratory system. Many use it for whooping cough, asthma, and bronchitis. Where expectoration is a problem, Asafoetida helps in expelling accumulated cough. Some mixtures that seem to blend together well for coughs and as expectorants are roasted fresh ricinus gum powder with real ghee, or a mixture of Asafoetida powder with honey, white onion juice, betel nut juice, and dried ginger. Asafoetida has a very unpleasant odor to it, so bad that many call it the devil's dung. The foul odor comes from the resin that is removed from the plant's stem and root. Asafoetida is a species of the fennel plant, but a relative to the carrot. The wicked odor is formed from the organic sulfur compound found as part of the essential oils. When it comes to the value of the Asafoetida tree, the older, the better, and trees less than 4 years of age are virtually worthless. When buying Asafoetida in the marketplace, it will likely be available in 3 different forms. One is called tears, which are commonly sold in Chinese pharmacies, and characteristically may have fragments of root and earth. It is also sold in a paste, which is very commonly used as a condiment for flavoring such dishes as curry, to flavor beans, sauces, pickles, and many use it as a substitute for garlic. A few other unique things that Asafoetida is used for is that, if used in recipes regularly, it has been suggested that it may increase the chances of male fertility. Often it is used for toothaches as well.